Welcome to Washington State History for the week of October 3rd through the 7th. It looks like this week we're working in 1.20, Assimilation and Resiliency in Pacific Northwest Tribes. As you are now familiar with, the practice of completing each section's work under class materials and also in your class kick. So let's go ahead and head over to content. Go to the top of your page, click Content. Scroll down until you get to 1.20, so Unit 1.20, click on it. Read the introductory information. It asks you to take meticulous notes this week because it's going to be used on a future essay in ELA, which we will be starting very shortly. So here is the future essay prompt along with some background information and your Class Kick study guide, which is always available to you in Class Kick. Your login for Class Kick is right here in the Monday section. And as a reminder, Class Kick login is your school email and the password is WAVA. So please complete the Monday section. Here's a link to the textbook about boarding schools if you need it, a video to watch, and then the Class Kick login. So please make sure you're accessing all your materials and then completing the work in Class Kick. So read your Tuesday article, your Wednesday article, your Thursday article, which includes photographs and a video. And the study guide that you complete this week, which is due on Thursday, since we don't have any class on Friday, I will change this to state Thursday, is what you are earning credit on this week. So for one final time, I'm going to show you how to log into ClassKick in case you need that. Otherwise, there will be a student support video in ELA under Ms. Blue's support videos. All right, so go to ClassKick, click Login, Student. Remember, we don't have a class code. Instead, you're going to want to click the Login button right below the class code. Then you're going to put in your school email and WAVA as a password and log in, at which point you'll be able to go to Washington State History and find 1.20. All right, thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.